I'm Al Fix-It, and this is Lavender Lady Living, and she happens to be traveling across the country in her minivan now, and she needed a bed. I thought she'd come up with this really great idea. Maybe she could tell us about that idea.
I needed a really nice smooth wood bed, so I was looking on Marketplace and happened to see a twin bed for free, so I grabbed it, and it's working out perfect. All I had to do was cut it down to size. Made it narrower and shorter.
We shortened the length, we shortened the width.
It had a headboard on here at this end, so we took the headboard off.
This was up here.
We don't need that. And then the width, we took this much off, so that was great. That's really going to help fit in my minivan. The length of the side rails, we took this much off.
Here's how much that came off.
And then of course the slats needed to be shortened.
There's the pieces we took off the slats.
So this much got cut off.
And we cut the legs to the right height for her to...
Yeah, a little bit off the legs because I want to be able to sit on the edge while I'm in the van so I don't hit my head.
Carved this up too.
Yeah, that really helped. He had this great idea to take that out so that I could get a little more room underneath to put slide stuff under, because you always have too much stuff.
Wow.
So now it's going to fit so much better in my minivan, and it's so sturdy and nice, and the wood is so smooth and nice because it was already factory made, you know.
Well, I see so many people just go to the Home Depot or Lowe's and grab 2x4s or 2x2s or whatever and put them together, and that's fine with L brackets and screws and stuff, but this is so nice with the way they put it together with wooden dowels and screws, and you could get one already made like this and just, it could be queen size, king size, it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
you're going to cut it down.
Little dowel things on the end to put it together with. So we just reused everything. Another thing is it's really lightweight because it's not heavy 2x4s. It's just, you know, it's a much thinner wood, but way stronger than I need. So it's going to be easier for me to even take in and out of the van now that it's lighter.
Oh, I think it's great. It looks really nice. It's going to be good. We're going to put it in the minivan and try it out.
Yeah, I'm ready to take off on my next adventure.
So, Lavender Lady Living.
Lavender Lady Living, my new channel.
Yeah, it's a brand new channel. I'm Al Fix-It 1000. You know what to do. Adios. Ciao.